In this video, I will show you how to delete apps on your smart TV. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more important details like this. So, you want to delete any application on your smart TV, depending on which smart TV you are using, it's a very simple process. So, I'm going to come over to your apps area. This app area shows the application that you've downloaded or installed to your smart TV. If you don't have an application, you can come over to your app store and install application. And also, these are various applications you can install to your smart TV. So come over to the app area and I go to the application you want to delete. Let's say for instance, I want to delete the Netflix application. Once you click on Netflix, you look at the top of my screen, there is an instructions that click on the menu key to manage application. So on your remote control, you're just going to find the menu key and click on the menu key. Once you click on the menu key, you're going to see these two options, the open option and the remove option. The remove option has the same function as delete. So if I click on remove option, it's going to delete the application from my smart TV. Now it's going to ask if I really want to delete or uninstall this application. So all I have to do is to click on OK and the application is going to be uninstalled and deleted from my smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this.